Arpeggiation. This is America by Simon Garfunkel, and what I'm showing is arpeggiation. And what that word means is playing all the notes in a chord, but not quite at the same time. Basically playing through them in an order like this. So instead of playing the full chord, you know, with a strum, or plucking them all at once, you play through them one at a time, like this. And it gives a very interesting sound to it. It really kind of fleshes out the whole chord. And to do it, you're really just playing, I'm just doing thumb, index, middle, ring finger, just on down like this, like this. And the important thing is that you want the last note to end on the beat. So if the beat is like dun, 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 you want the last note to fall on that beat. So you have to start slightly before. Dun, bum, 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 like that. So when you're practicing, start it very, very slow and just try to get that last note happening right on the beat. So just start just a hair before the chord. And if you want to make it really slow, you can. Just start a little bit earlier. It's also nice to throw in, combined with playing other chords all at the same time. It's a little bit of a mix. If I were to do the same progression like this, and only arpeggiate those last few chords, so like this. Give me a nice variation, or the third chord. Really lends a bit of flair to your chord progressions. Once again, it's just thumb, index, middle ring. Whatever chord you're playing, whether it's a D or a G or any other chord you might have. Playing through an order like that is a nice tool to have. So let me know any comments or questions you might have, and don't forget to subscribe.